The first step is to create a database, the ClusterJ underline accounts database. Later, you will download the .sql with MySQL dump from our site and will restore it in that database you just created. That's it, the first step was done. You can now clone the GitHub repository with the MySQL Workbench model and the stored procedures. All data in ClusterJ is handled by stored procedures, and those stored procedures are handled by the adapter design pattern. You can also clone the GitHub repository with the setup adapter, but it is important for you to analyze the code and see what you're dealing with. And that's it for the setup database install. Thank you very much for your attention. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the videos, watch as many as you can so we can be eligible for monetization. When we start monetization, we will start to gather resources to make ClusterJ grow.